We eat 3 times a day. So why is it so hard when talking about the food? Use any vocabulary beyond good, tasty or bad. Today I'm giving you 3 phrases, 3 bullets, that will make you sound like a real foodie in any English conversation. Welcome to English Bullet, the channel where we fire up your day with practical English and powerful motivation for your business and for your life. Having used English in business for almost 30 years, I'm here to share what I've learned. Let's get started. Okay, the first bullet, to whip up something. It means to cook something quickly, often without any formal recipe. It's used for everyday casual cooking. For instance, if you're hungry, I can whip up an omelette for you, which means I can quickly prepare it for you. Or she managed to prepare a delicious meal using just the leftovers found in the fridge.
If you're hungry, I can quickly whip up an omelette for you.
Yeah.
The second one, the acquired taste. It means that there is some food, some taste that you didn't like for the first time when you tried it, but you learn how to like it after a few times eating it. It's great for discussion the cultural foods or strong flavors. For instance, fermented and spicy tofu is an acquired taste for many people. Or, I hated olives as a kid, but now I love them. I guess it's my acquired taste, or I guessed these were my acquired taste, which means that I didn't like it at the beginning, but then I started liking it after a few times having it eaten.
I hated olives as a kid, but now I love them. I guess they were an acquired taste.
And the third bullet, to grab a bite. It means to get a quick, often informal meal. It's the most common way to invite a colleague or a friend for lunch. For instance, do you want to grab a bite after the meeting finishes? Or, I didn't have time for breakfast, so I'll just grab a bite on my way to work.
That meeting ran late. Are you still able to grab a bite? There's a nice bistro downstairs.
Yes, absolutely. I could certainly use some food.
And today's foodies list as a quick summary. So, whipping up for preparing a meal quickly without a formal recipe. Acquired taste for something that you didn't like at the beginning when you tried it and then you learn how to like it. And grabbing a bite for a quick, informal meal. Learning a language is a lot like cooking. It takes certain ingredients and time to cook, time to practice. So don't be afraid that it takes some time. Don't be afraid about the mess is around when you do it. But finally, you're gonna get the right taste. Finally, it's gonna be a very good meal that you are preparing. So bon appetit for your English journey.